व्यूवर आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है आईसीटी इन टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। नो डाउट, कोई शक नहीं, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज हैव पुट ए लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट्स इन एजुकेशनल एरियाज वेयर टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग आर most important aspects. The use of ICT is very necessary for sustainable growth of young generation. With the help of ICT, many problems can be solved easy and one can work more efficiently. ICT inside the educational areas has developed enormously. Now ICT has become an important part of our society. Therefore, it is necessary that the people should educated in how to use it. Overall, ICT can enable teachers as well as learner to teach well, learn well, present well, work efficiently, share ideas easily, solve different problems easily, gain price no knowledge, achieve goals in less time period. Now the use of ICT is also increasing in educational area. This them gives young generation a way of the learning as well as generating new ideas. This facility in classroom can provide to be very helpful for teachers to teach and for the learner to learn. At school or college level, the young generation is in their growing age. So at the time if they use this facility, then their minds can become faster and they can grow with the new technologies. So the computer can be used as a resources to the sharp their mind while solving the problem either related to education. Through computers, they can think deeply. There are a lot of excellent things which are usually done during this interaction. आज तक इतने, नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं।